Welcome to Detroit's Arden Park, East Boston Edison Historic District, a neighborhood renowned for its grand homes and storied past. Today, we're stepping inside 235 Arden Park Boulevard, a home that represents not only architectural beauty, but also the legacy of a city at its peak. Built in 1914, this home was originally commissioned by John A. Bryant, co-founder of the Bryant and Detwiler Company, one of Detroit's most prominent construction firms during the early 20th century. Bryant and Detwiler played a pivotal role in shaping Detroit's skyline, constructing landmarks like the Detroit Institute of Arts and the Belle Isle Conservatory. This home was a personal statement of success, built during a time when Detroit was booming as the Motor City. Hi, I'm Chris, and welcome to History Loves Company. Today, we're touring the stunning 1914 estate at 235 Arden Park Boulevard. It's not every day that you come across a home with this much character and history. And yes, I'm rocking my Lions jersey today because the Lions take on the Bills later. Let me know in the comments down below who you're rooting for. But of course, by the time that you guys see this video, the game's done and over with, and hopefully your team won. Or my team. Hopefully those two teams align. But first, let's dive into this incredible home. And hey, if you're looking to buy or sell a historic property, stick around until the end. I'd love to help you with your next chapter. As we step inside, the home immediately welcomes us with its stunning original wood paneling, charming foyer, and light fixtures that may very well be original to the home. Every inch of the space whispers of the craftsmanship and attention to detail that defined this era. To the left, we find the study, complete with a fireplace adorned in iconic Pewabic tile. These tiles, handmade in Detroit, are more than just decoration. They're a piece of the city's artistic legacy. The wood paneling and original radiators complete this warm and inviting space. The main living room offers a spacious gathering area with another fireplace, one of 3 in the home. Notice the gorgeous plasterwork and the seamless flow into the next space, which functions as a formal dining room. The dining room features intricate plaster details on the ceiling and rich wood paneling throughout. This is a room built for hosting, a space where conversations and meals could linger for hours. The kitchen has been modernized, but it thoughtfully incorporates elements like subway tiling and stained glass windows to maintain the home's historic charm. It's functional without detracting from the overall character of the home. Heading up the main staircase, you'll find beautifully preserved woodworking and stained glass windows. On the second floor, the primary suite awaits, along with additional bedrooms and a second floor laundry for convenience. The primary suite includes a luxurious bathroom with a freestanding tub, walk-in shower, and a custom walk-in closet. It's a perfect blend of historic charm and modern comfort. The additional bedrooms on this floor each have their own unique character, with built-ins and well-maintained original features. The third floor offers even more space, with 2 additional bedrooms and a charming bathroom which features a clawfoot tubs. The dormer windows in the bedrooms make cute little cubby spaces and add a cozy touch, making this floor versatile as a retreat, guest space, or children's play area. Downstairs, the basement provides plenty of functional space, including updated electrical work, a boiler for radiant heat, and 2 furnaces for forced air. This combination of heating systems is common for a home of this size and age, and it ensures comfortable living year-round. Finally, the backyard offers a private retreat, complete with a stamped concrete patio, a hot tub, and a detached 2-car garage. The lot, measuring 0.38 acres, feels expansive, with plenty of room for entertaining, gardening, or simply enjoying the outdoors. Homes like this are more than just places to live. They're chapters of history waiting to be cared for and cherished. If you've ever dreamed of owning a home with this level of craftsmanship and character, let's make it happen. Whether you're looking to buy or sell a historic property, I'd love to help you. Reach out to me directly. I'm here to make your real estate journey as seamless as possible. And before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps me reach more people who share a passion for historic homes. Plus, check out these 2 other incredible properties. You won't want to miss them. Thanks for joining me today at 235 Arden Park Boulevard. Now I'm off to catch the Lions game. I'll see you guys in the next video. Let's go Lions! Explore more historic homes by clicking on these videos and join our growing community by subscribing. Together, we're keeping history alive, one home at a time.